Student, today we are starting line and plane chapter. It is the new course 6.4 exercise line and plane. Okay, the important for this exercise, the angle between the two plane is given by cos theta is equal to n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. Okay, the angle between the plane and the line, difference between this is plane and line. Here two planes are given, equation of the plane are given, then you have to find out cos theta. Otherwise plane and line, the sin theta is equal to b dot c n upon magnitude of b dot magnitude of n. Okay, now when for the coplanar, a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 is equal to must be 0. This is the condition for coplanarity. Okay, this is also very important. You already know the vector equation of the plane when the point is given r dot n is equal to a dot n. The distance, fifth point, the distance between the point and the plane is given by d is equal to a dot n minus p upon n, magnitude of n. These formulas are very important. Okay, now we are going to solve the problem number 1. Find the acute angle between the plane r dot I plus j plus 2k is equal to 13, r dot 2I minus j plus k is equal to 31. These are the equation of the two plane. Now I can write down this n1 is equal to, what is my n1 is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay, now what is my n2 is equal to 2I minus j plus k. Okay, now I know the formula n1 dot n2. Now I am finding n1 dot n2. Okay, what will come here? 2 1 are 2 minus 1 plus 2. Okay, 4 minus 1, what will come here? 3 will come here. Okay, now I can find out the magnitude of n1. Okay, is equal to, what will come here? 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Okay, now this will come to be 4, 5 and 6, means root 6 will come here. Okay, now what is the magnitude of n2 is equal to under root of again 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 square is already 1 and 1 square. Okay, this is also root 6. Now I am writing the formula cos theta is equal to, okay, of n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. Okay, now I am substituting the value. What I will get here? 3 upon root 6 into root 6. What is the value of root 6 into root 6 is 6. Okay, now 3 by 6 will come here, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now you know that cos, when 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. Okay, I can write down as pi by 6 also, means theta is equal to 60 degree or pi by 6. Okay, this is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, if you know the formula, then the calculations are very easy and you can score good marks. Now we are going to solve the second one. Find the acute angle between the line and the plane. Okay, now you concentrate on line and plane, means you have to apply the second formula, that is b dot n upon magnitude of b into magnitude of n. Okay, now this is my plane line equation. What is my b? b is equal to 2I plus 3j minus 6k. What is the value of n? This is my plane equation, means n is equal to 2I minus j plus k. Okay, now I will find out the dot product of this. b dot 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 minus 6. Okay, now what will come here? Minus 5 will come here. Okay. K. Now what I will find out? Magnitude of B. Okay. Now what will come here? 2 square is 9. 2 square is 4. Then 3 square is 9. And this is 36. Okay. 49 will come here, means 7. Okay. Now what is the magnitude of n? Is equal to under root of, again 2 square is 4 plus 1. Okay. Now this is also 1. Now what will come here? This is 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. Now I am substituting this value in this, is equal to sin theta is equal to B dot magnitude of B into magnitude of n. Okay, now I am substituting the value. What will come here? Minus 5 upon 7 root 6. Now this will be plus 5 upon 7 root 6 is the value of sin theta. Okay, now this is the answer for the given problem. Now we will go to solve the another problem. Now we are going to solve the problem number 3, in which the two equations of the lines are given. You have to show that these lines are coplanar. I already told you that what is the condition for coplanarity is a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. Okay, is equal to must be 0. Now what is my a1? Now I am writing a1 is equal to 0i plus 2j minus 3k. Okay. Now what is my a2? Is equal to 2i plus 6j plus 3k. Okay. Now what I will get? Write down b1 and b2 also. I can write down I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. Now b2 will be 2i plus 3j plus 4. Now I can to solve b1 cross b2. Okay. Now what I will write down here? I, j, k. Okay. Now what are the value of b1 is 1, 2 and 3. And b2 is 3, 2, 3 and 4. Now I will simplify this I. Okay. 2, 2 ja 4 ja 8 minus 9 j. Come here 4 1 ja 4 minus 6 means minus 2 will come here plus k into 1 3 ja 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now what will come here? Minus I plus 2j minus k will come here. Now I will solve the problem a2 minus a1. Okay, dot b1 cross b2. Now for this I am writing here 2i plus 4j plus 6k. Okay, minus I plus 2j minus k. Okay. Now what will come here? 2 1 ja 2 means minus 2 plus 4 2 ja 8. Okay, and this is minus 6 means that is equal to 0. Therefore lines are coplanar. Lines are coplanar. Okay. Now what is the vector equation? Is r b1 into b2. Okay. What is b1 into b2 is minus I plus 2j minus k is equal to, what will come here? Is equal to 0. 1 is 2j minus 3k into b1 cross b2 is equal to minus I plus 2j minus k. Now I am simplifying this. What will come here? 0i, 0 will come here. Then 2 to the 4 will come here, and minus minus plus 3 will come here. Okay. Now this is equal to 7. This is the vector equation of the plane. 2j minus k is equal to 7. Okay. This is your A1. into B1 into B2, okay, is equal to R into B1 cross B2 is equal to, okay. Now we are going to solve the problem number 4. Find the distance of the point 4i minus 3j plus k from the plane r dot 2j plus 3k 2i plus 3j minus 6k is equal to 20. What is the value of a? A is equal to 4i minus 3j plus k and n is equal to 2i, okay, plus 3j minus 6k, okay. Now I will find out a dot n. A dot n, what will come here? 4 2 8 minus 9 minus 6, okay. 15 means what will come here? Minus 7 will come here, okay. Now what is the value of p? Is 21. Now I will find out the magnitude of n is equal to 2 square 4 plus 9 plus 36, okay, root 49. Root 49 means 7 will come here, okay. Now what will come here? Now I am writing the formula. D is equal to a dot n, okay, minus p upon, okay, what will come here? Is equal to modulus of n, means magnitude of n, okay. Now I am writing this one, minus 7 plus 21 upon modulus of 7 means 14 upon 7, that is equal to 2, okay. Now what will come here? 21 will come here. Then what is the value of p? Is minus 21. Minus minus will become plus, okay. Now for the fifth problem, the position point are given, means a is equal to what will come here? I plus j minus k, okay. Now direction ratios of this plane are this one, okay. Now I can write down n is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 12k, okay. Now what I will find out first? A dot n, okay. Now what will come here? 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4 plus 12, 16, 19 will come here, okay. What is the value of p? Is equal to 20. Now what is the modulus of n? N is equal to, magnitude of n is equal to, what will come here? What is the value of this? 3 square is 9, square is 144, that is equal to under root of 169, means what will come here? 13 will come here, okay. Now I am substituting the value. D is equal to, what is the value of a dot n? Is 19 minus 20 upon what is coming? 13, okay. Now this will be coming to be minus 1 upon 13, and because of the mod sign, the minus sign will get removed. Is equal to 1 by 13 is the required answer for the given problem, okay. You understand?